Hey everybody, how's it going? Kale with FPS, just starting a new job here today. Basically we're doing about 100 feet worth of trenching. Already kind of started scratching around a little bit down here, but this will be the end of the run. The customer had already kind of started digging out a little bit of it themselves, but they decided they wanted to hire us in to finish the job off for them. And we're more than happy to do that. And basically, as you can see here, we're only going to go about 3 feet wide, about 6 inches or so deep, just to create a little bit of a dry riverbed through here. So it shouldn't be too big of a deal for us. Right through here, you can kind of see we've already got the general trench kind of built out. It's only about 18 inches or so, 20 inches wide right now. We're gonna open it up to about 36 inches. We got the Ventrac here with the dump trailer to help get all of the material. We're gonna dump it out in the woods so we don't have piles of dirt all out in the grass. Try to save this guy's yard the best we can. We're gonna bury the rest of this downspout, pop it out right here into the dry riverbed. We're gonna basically make like a 3 to 4 foot wide, just flat area through here that will kind of channel down into the riverbed. And we also have right here, you can see we've got this downspout we're gonna stick in the ground. We're gonna take it probably just right along the edge of the grass here and then taper it down to about the fence or so, or where that other pipe is already kind of protruding out of the ground. You can kind of see some of the markings here. Got 811 dig out, so probably just gonna end up hand digging from the downspout to right about there roughly, and then everything else we'll just hog out with the Mini X. But this is our new job here. It's probably gonna be it's about 12 o'clock on Thursday right now, so we're probably just going to dig out this section of the trench. We might even go ahead and get this downspout put in the ground here, and then might put fabric down in the trench today, and then the gravel will be dropped off tomorrow. So that will be that. All right, guys. So we've got the drainage trench dug at this point. Just got a little bit of spoils here on the side. We're cleaning up by hand with the Ventrac, but it's a pretty mellow trench. I know the sunlight isn't gonna make it very easy to see, but it's pretty mellow. We're on a lot of slope right here, so we don't need much dugout, but we're just gathering up the last little bits of dirt here on the side, and we'll be done for the day, I think. All right, we have the fabric laid all the way down there to the end. It's all bundled up right here because we still have a little bit of plumbing to do underneath. And we're gonna be tying this downspout in to right about here. The dry riverbed is gonna start up at the top. That drain is gonna be right there. It's gonna empty down. There's gonna be another drain right there, and they're both just gonna carry on along the side of the fence and into the woods. We got this little bit of rock right here gathered up. And now we're doing the hand digging, checking for utilities up to there. Didn't find any cable, nothing on the electric yet. Got gas over there, but we'll have it completed here shortly. Alrighty guys, this is going to wrap up the end of today. We got this downspout in the ground. It's just gonna empty out right there. The dry riverbed is going to carry it out the rest of the way. Got the fabric all down. We've got this other downspout cut in right there. That will tie in down there, and that'll wrap it up. And tomorrow we're just going to be placing the gravel, so it should be a pretty straightforward day for the most part, but I'll update you as we finish up. All right, good morning everybody. We're back, day 2. We've got 7 yards of this 3 to 6 inch Indian River rock here. And we're gonna go ahead and start spreading it out down here in the back. I'm gonna try my best to take some videos through the process, but I am unfortunately going to be the designated rake guy today, so can't guarantee I'll be doing too much filming, but I'm gonna do my best for y'all. We'll see y'all in a little bit. The nice thing about the Ventrac, as you can see, it's not gonna even hurt the turf out here at all. By the time we're done with the project, you really won't even be able to tell we were out here to begin with, so. We've got about 100 feet, like I said earlier. 100-foot run along the side of this fence. So, we should have plenty of rock. It's gonna get a little bit wider up there at the top. It's about 3.5 feet here. Up there, it'll probably stretch out to about 4 to 5. But as you can see with the 8 wheels on the machine, it hardly does any damage at all to the turf. Really, this backyard should be totally fine by the time we're done. So we'll keep getting after it. All right, we're pretty much wrapped up here. We've got rock all the way down to the bottom. We've just got some extra that we're kind of spreading out in some places, but as you can see, it widens up right up here. Got our drain right there. I'm probably gonna put a little bit more rock over on this side, even though it's going towards the neighbor's house, but apparently they have a pretty good friendship here, so we're gonna roll with it. But yeah, the Ventrac crosses right over the rock, no issue. Doesn't even make a mark on the rock. Got our second drain right there, dumping out. We're just gonna take a little bit of this extra rock and bring it down here at the bottom, make a little bit of a catch basin, so to speak. And that's pretty much gonna be it.